Google Play Store tracks your location, monitors every app you install, and even collects data about how you use your phone. If you haven't disabled these hidden settings, you're giving Google way too much power. Over your privacy and battery life. Remove location permission from Play Store. Open setting. Select app. Search Google Play Store. Open permission. Select location. Don't allow. Play Store can track your location to recommend local apps. Benefit: prevents Google from linking your app usage to physical movements. Turn off data. Collection in Play Protect. Open Play Store. Select Play Protect. Click Setting. Let's talk about Play Protect. This is Google's built-in security system that helps protect your device by scanning apps for harmful behavior. And yes, it's a good feature to have, but hidden inside Play Protect is a setting that most people don't notice, and it's one that quietly shares information about how you use your apps. Here's how to find it. See two options. First, scan apps. With Play Protect, this one should stay on. It helps keep your phone safe by checking apps from malware, but the second one improve harmful. Optimize app. Battery. Usage. Open Play Store. Tap at the top right. Click Help and Feedback. Click Search. Delete or disable. Click Go to Application. Settings. If you see that it's set to unrestricted, that much battery as it wants even when you're not using it, that's not great for your device. Search application. Select battery. Go to second option. Optimize. Select all application. Delete your advertising. In. Open setting app. Scroll down. Tap Google service. A unique identifier that lets Google and third parties track your behavior across apps. Benefit: resets your ad history and severs tracking links between apps. Select Add. Show option. Delete. Advertising IDD. Optimize. Battery usage. Open setting. Select app. Search Google. Play Store. Risk: Play Store runs background processes that drain battery. Benefit: forces Android to restrict background activity, extending battery life. Select mobile. Data and Wi-Fi. Turn off. Background data and restricted data. Usage. Turn off. App install. Optimization. Open Play Store. Click top of menu. Select setting. Click About. And update. Play Store. Back to the dot settings, click dot general. Tap on app install dot optimization. Now you'll dot see a target to dot turn this feature off. Monitors how you use apps to optimize future installs. Risks if left on. Collects analytics on your app usage patterns. Benefits of disabling. Stops Google from analyzing your app behavior. Thanks for watching.